Tuko tayari.
ODM.
Tuko tayari.
Today we are here to issue a press statement. These are the ODM Youth, Kisii Youth, Kisii ODM Kisii County, and we want to issue a statement. And this is the statement that we want to issue today. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, today we sit here perturbed by the emerging patterns of politics in the region. As young leaders of ODM, we especially observed with concern the deplorable activities being committed by South Mugirango MP South Silvanus Osoro in the name of politics. The latest is the funeral disruption in South Mugirango by goons associated with him. The disruption sparked a stampede where dozens of mourners were injured as a result. As young leaders, we find this behavior un-African and unbecoming as of an MP's stature. Our governor, His Excellency Paul Simbarati, has severally stated that politics where violence reigns will not help this county to move forward. And we agree. As ODM Youth, we remain supportive to this position, and that is why we ask those opposing him to give him time. ODM.
Tuko tayari.
ODM.
Tuko tayari.
Already, the governor has vowed a commitment to fulfill his development agenda for his people, the South Mugirango residents included. But this cannot happen in an environment where violence is made a norm. As ODM Youth, we cannot afford to have a county put on campaign mood with small sideshows as shown recently. Osoro wants the Ruto administration respected, and he should too respect the county leadership, because at any given moment, the MPs for South Mugirango, Honorable Osoro, has stood and has always said that we respect the national government. As a youth, also ODM Youth in Kisii County, we also demand that he must respect the governor of Kisii County. The increasing incidents of hooliganism are already giving our region a bad name. We want a county that is flourishing with development, not thuggery. We want a county where young leaders show statesmanship, not excelling in thuggery. Mheshimiwa Osoro is a young man, and we respect young people in leadership. As a young people in ODM, we want to request him that he gives young leadership humble time to deliver to the people of Kisii County. Governor Simba Arati is working with President Ruto to reach the people with development. He is not living in isolation of the need to realize robust economic agenda for our people. MP Osoro should be aware that he is robbing his residents a precious opportunity to enjoy development just like other regions in the larger devolved units. By stationing goons in every shopping center in South Mugirango to attack county staff, he fails to grasp the need for peaceful coexistence of our people. By discouraging his residents from paying tax, the MP is parading his ignorance on the need by the country to realize economic and development agenda. We thus collectively condemn and stand for a peaceful Kisii County as a youth leadership of ODM. Thank you so much.
First, I want to thank the members of the Fourth Estate. You are the people who make sure that the truth goes out there to the citizens of this country. I want to join my brothers in also calling out for the Member of Parliament of South Mugirango, Mheshimiwa Silvanus Osoro, for causing mayhem, trouble, and pulling back our county by bringing politics at the time that him, a man known to be a lawyer, even if we do not know where he graduated from, being a lawyer that is always or could not comprehend and know what time is meant for politics and what time is meant to deliver the promise that we have made to our people. I want to bring to your attention the voting tradition of the people of Kisii County. Kisii County votes not in a block usually, but to all parties that are seeking for seats in this county. And that way, you must know that him leading, Mheshimiwa Simba Arati leading 6 houses of Kisii, he is being voted widely all over or across board. So this governor is seated here for 5 years, and God willing, another 10 years. So if in any way you want to become a governor, please tread carefully so that in the future, people might decide to give you this seat. But the way things are happening, you're causing fire, blazing the house. And I want to tell governor, Mheshimiwa Governor, unajua wewe, wakati nyumba inaungua, wakati kuna moto kwa nyumba, na kuna panya anazunguka anatoka hivi akitoroka moto. Panya kama huyo, hapana angalia yeye. Mheshimiwa huyu Osoro ni kama panya nyumba ikiungua. Sasa anakimbia hii Kisii kila mahali. Akitaka kuleta shida kukuharibia hapa mambo ya bodaboda, akileta mambo pale South Mogirango, watu wa South Mogirango walikupigia kura Mheshimiwa Gavana. Wewe kitu unafanya, peleka maendeleo pale. Ulisema wewe uko na hosepipe na tunakuaminia. Hosepipe yako iko na maji ya maendeleo. Sukuma hiyo moto ya Osoro pale South Mogirango, fanyia watu kazi, wapita barabara mzuri, wakoe na mahospitali, Kisii iendelee mbele. Kisha mwisho. Sisi hapa kama vijana wa ODM hapa Kisii, tunaomba kwa heshima. Maana Mheshimiwa Osoro wewe umechaguliwa na pale kwenye national pale kwa parliament umechaguliwa kama kiongozi, the chief whip. Tafadhali kwa heshima, wewe kazi yako unafaa ku unite the Kisii people because you're bringing shame to the youthful leadership of this county. The people of Kisii County voted for all 90% who voted were youth unanimously. So we ask you with all utmost respect, sir, if you are a lawyer as you say and you've been entrusted by the people of South Mogirango, could you unite the members of parliament of Kisii and so that you can go together to State House and bring us development here so that Mheshimiwa Governor would always also give you humble time to serve and bring development to the people of Kisii County. Kwa hiyo machache, Mungu awabariki sana na Osoro tafadhali. Hatutaongea sana. Wewe ni kijana kama una
Ntumuna basaiba Kisii County. Twachirega igarero. Ase insho yogocha kugikeria. Mangana mabetu abire tokorora kokorekana. Igoro yo oborai butari buya na mono moske Silvanus Osoro obeiro ko bomoturubanu asama tukabono toramanya buya kabisa nga oborai buaya nga iboberete no bwo korio bo governor go sino bwo sko mo governor Simba Arati butage tukomane buna era muno mo chief whip national government akore gasia igorari na intunsa atoske bune county asko Mheshimiwa Simba Arati monto abantu bonse bakorwa magenderero bira gopagu ari South Mogirango konya koba moturubanu korento bo turubanu bwaya samatanga eiterita bingia ileta biembe twaekanire bora yo muya no yo korenta abantu amo nekera rentra abantu amo babeke metuamo na governor okoba nero mo governor ebwe county ya Kisii nero no mo jumbo South Mogirango na teta bagirango bakorwa magenderero no mo governor ito igo tigabo monto morai orochenki ngayense koruna segochi tabo moturbanu lioka abasalia magendera abantu bagwanireta kwayo ere mune chief whip garanta magendera koru national government babwatere na moske Simba Arati koruga Kisii County bakora abantu bonse amagendero lakini agenteka na mono aske mo governor ito Simba Arati okoba nero mo governor.
Thank you.
I thank the press for having taken your time at least to be part and parcel of this event of today. My name is Richard Utino Dipo, one of the youths in Kisii County, but I come from Homa Bay County. I'm so much impressed with the leadership of His Excellency, the Governor, Simba Arati. I'm very much disappointed when I get some simple cases of somebody who wants superiority, which he has never reached. It must be made aware that youths must always show decorum, even to the leadership of other people. And that is why I speak as a minority, a Luo, but living in Kisii County, who have encountered several with Governor Simbarati. I even voted for him because I believe in his leadership. Agombo mundu miawach kama joka onagi. Simba etaya en wui mariany kataya. Kendo ngama bukore bedo embele Simba etaya ichalo ngama mulo thund gimiluongo ne punda. Kendo nyaki tang wui matin miluongo ni MP Osoro ma South Mugorangu. You are too young, just like us. But age is never a factor. What is a factor is the brain. You represent the members of South Mugorangu in that parliament, and therefore we expect you to deliver. Siasa ilipita, siasa iliisha. Sasa tuko wakati ambayo tunafaa tufanyie sisi au vijana kazi. Hakuna haja of bringing and bragging that you want to be a governor. The working governor is Simba Arati. If you want to be a governor, wait 2027, I'll also be there. And I will vote for whoever shall have delivered the manifesto that you provoked the spirit of the members of the county, Kisii. Otherwise, it's my humble request, Mheshimiwa Osoro, you are a young leader. We expect good brains like you to bring Kisii County forward.
Thank you so much.